Hi there, students. Pulchritude. Okay, a noun. Pulchritudinous, an adjective. Pulchritudinously as an adverb. Okay, pulchritude is just a posh word for beauty. Pulchritudinous, beautiful. Yeah, pulchritude talks about physical beauty. Yeah, he's always worried about the pulchritude of his presentation. Now, pulchritude is unfortunately not something I'm very good at. Okay, he pulchritudinously made sure that everything was exactly in the right position and perfectly presented. Okay, so pulchritude, beauty. The irresistible pulchritude of the girl only served to increase my desire because she was also a wonderful person. Okay, a beauty competition is to find the most pulchritudinous contestant. Yeah, pulchritude seems to be something that the media defines for us. The fashion industry gives us the image that pulchritude is having a very slim athletic figure, although the concept of pulchritude has changed over the centuries. I think maybe the ancient Greek concept of pulchritude or an African concept of pulchritude is not the same as a European or Western one. Okay, so pulchritude, great physical beauty, great appeal. Yeah. Okay, the physical qualities that give pleasure to the senses. The food that the restaurant serves is incredibly pulchritudinous. Okay, it looks really beautiful. Yeah. Okay, so the pulchritude of his girlfriend was fantastic. Notice I keep using this word pulchritude about women, and normally pulchritude talks about women, but I guess you could use it to talk about a man as well, or how something is decorated. The pulchritude of the wedding tent was incredibly beautiful. Look at the pulchritude of the scenery around us. You could use it like this as well. Okay, yes. Formality. This is a formal word, yeah? It's a literary word. I'd probably give it 7.5, 8. You could just about use it in a semi-formal writing, or a formal writing would sound great. It's a very literary word as well. So be careful where you use it. Just informally, beauty, beautiful, beautifully. Yeah, lovely, something like that. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from pulchritudo in Latin, from pulcher, meaning beautiful, okay, which itself comes from a Proto-Indo-European word, purc, meaning variegated with different colours to it. Okay, so pulchritude, beauty. Yeah, pulchritudinous, that's a hell of a mouthful. Beautiful is a long way of just saying something simple. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pulchritude, pulchritudinous.